Q1. Why had Rustomji's smuggling offences not been discovered earlier? Rustomji's smuggling offences had not been discovered earlier because he was on excellent terms with the customs officials. They trusted his invoices implicitly and were not inclined to suspect him. Q2. What did Rustomji consider to be the greatest cause for shame to him? Rustomji considered deceiving Gandhiji by hiding his tricks of the trade to be the greatest cause for shame. He also felt that if he had to go to jail, his guilt would be publicly exposed, which would be an additional source of shame. Q3. What did Gandhiji consider to be a greater cause for shame? According to Gandhiji, the act of committing the offense itself is the greatest cause for shame. He believed that the shame lies not in going to jail, but in committing the crime, and that real penance is the resolution never to repeat the wrong. Q4. Which words that Rustomji used to describe his offense show us that he does not consider it to be a normal offense? Rustomji referred to his actions as tricks of the trade, which indicates that he viewed his smuggling not as a typical criminal offense, but as a business practice. Q5. Who, according to Gandhiji, was the one who would finally decide whether Rustomji was to be saved or not? According to Gandhiji, it was the Attorney General who would finally decide whether Rustomji was to be saved or not. Q6. How did Gandhiji and other counsel hope to settle the case? Gandhiji proposed settling the case through a full confession, while the other counsel believed it should be handled by a jury. Ultimately, the case was settled via a compromise where Rustomji paid a penalty equal to twice the amount he confessed to smuggling. Q7. Gandhiji spoke of two penances. What were they and which one did Rustomji not have to do? The two penances mentioned were imprisonment and the resolve to never do wrong again. Rustomji did not have to undergo the penance of imprisonment. Q8. Why did Gandhiji have to go to the Attorney General as well as to the custom officer? Since the case was not taken to court, it remained in the hands of the custom officer, who was in turn guided by the Attorney General. Therefore, Gandhiji had to approach both to finalize the settlement. Q9. Which two qualities of Gandhiji helped him to persuade the Attorney General not to drag Rustomji into court? The qualities of persistence and frankness, meaning honesty and straightforwardness, helped Gandhiji persuade the Attorney General. Q10. Did Rustomji lose or was he partly saved by the settlement of the case? Rustomji lost nothing except for the penalty amount he paid as penance. By confessing and paying the fine, he successfully saved his name and fame.